Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete this specific task for the Verdant Greenery quest in Heartopia. So make sure you have purchased the blueprint. Go to the solo building mode, and you are then going to select this one, the building material. Don't select the furniture. Select others. Select this. And you're just going to place it in your garden, and then just going to press X, and I'm just going to leave the build mode, and you would have completed the task. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.